Good morning, we are Group 5 and today we are going to do the detection and reparation practice. Once the classroom software is downloaded, we must install it on the computer. We get into the BIOS and go to the boot section, and in boot section 1 we choose the pen drive with the program. We will save and exit to start with the new program. Now we are going to show and explain what each tool is for. The first will be LateSoft Password Recovery. This will serve to break the password of the computer and boot without putting a password. The second tool is used to do partitions in the hard drive. It is called as Partition Master. It shows us the partitions that the hard drive has and it will also allow us to partition it. The third tool is called Drive Image XML. This helps us to recover files and locate where those files are. The next tool will be the antivirus. We had 4, but we chose McAfee Sting. It helps us to locate virus or trojans on our computer. As we can see, it is clean. The last tool will be used to test the hard drive to check if there is any problem or failure on the drive.
Si el caserío, si es mi caserío. Yo soy de calentón, pero en la brea estamos fríos. Cabrón,